Alright, let's roll. Hi, my name is E, Global Sourcing Specialist at BWGS. Did you guys know that the lamp you choose is crucial to the outcome of the plants? That's why we developed the next generation of lighting for optimal yields. Built specially for the horticulture industry, our OptiLUME enhanced lamps deliver superior spectral outcome and reliability in commercial, residential, and greenhouse applications. They distribute light energy concentrated in either red, orange spectrum for bountiful harvests, on the blue-purple spectrum for healthy and robust vegetative growth. OptiLUME enhanced lamps undergo a rigorous battery of tests, including compatibility and longevity trials to make sure they perform to their specifications and life ratings. Our complete line includes high pressure sodium, single and double-ended, metal halide 1000 and metal halide 400, conversion metal halide 600, ceramic metal halide 315. All lamps features 1-year warranty and CE certification. To view these products and their specifications, please visit OptiLUME-lighting.com. Hi, I'm Yi Chow, global sourcing specialist from. Hey, honey. Lamp you choose. So is that on?